Hi and welcome back to another quick guide. Today, I'll teach you how to stop apps auto-starting Windows 11. If apps automatically start when Windows 11 boots up, it can slow down your computer's startup time. Too many startup programs may also use memory and system resources in the background. Disabling unnecessary startup apps can improve performance and make your PC load faster. In this guide, you'll learn how to stop apps from auto-starting in Windows 11 on this step-by-step guide. To begin, right-click the Start button. Choose to click Task Manager from the menu. If the Task Manager opens in compact mode, click More Details. Click the Startup tab at the top. Review the list of startup apps. Look at the Startup Impact column to see which apps affect the boot speed. Right-click the app you want to disable, then click Disable. Repeat the process for other unnecessary apps. Now close the Task Manager. Click the Start button and open the settings again. Go to Apps, click the Startup, and toggle off any apps you don't want to start automatically. And finally, restart your computer to apply the changes. After restarting, the disabled apps should no longer launch automatically. And that's all for now, folks. Thank you for watching.